What's up, guys? How's it going? It's been raining here for 3 freaking days. The Jeep is literally full of water because Steel left the moonroof open. Yeah, let's check that out. So, moonroof was open, window was down. Literally filled this thing up with water. I'm soaking some of it up in there. I've moved it out here in the sun to kind of dry it up, but this thing is soaked. Good luck with that. It's his now, not mine. He got to deal with it. It's just been windy. But what I wanted to do today is, I'm still messing with this goddamn truck. Honestly, guys, what's your opinion? Should I just pull the drive shaft out of this, put it in that and sell it because everything works? You know, because we drove this one as soon as we got the transfer case back in. We drove it in 4-wheel drive because we only have the front drive shaft. The rear drive shaft's broke. And it drives great. So, this needing 4-wheel drive, nobody believes you when you say it's something stupid. You know what I mean? Because we know it's not mechanical with the transfer case because it's not grinding, clunking, or making noise. Hi, Mama. We know it's hooked up right. At least I'm 99% positive. I've only gone over the wiring 10 times underneath there. Went over the vacuum lines, unplugged and replugged in vacuum lines. We got them all right. We still have no power to the 4-wheel drive. Like, it's like the TCCM isn't getting any power. The lights don't light up. Nothing's happening. And no matter what you put in an ad, you know what I mean? I could lower the price. I've been offered $1,800. Jesus, 4 times.
Yeah, no.
You know? Britt's on her 3rd day painting these beds because it just starts raining every time she gets them out.
Every time I get them set up in my paint, I do one spray. It's like downpouring on me.
Yeah. So, we've been down, man. And, are you commenting on the last video, guys? That's the giveaway video. I filmed this one before I uploaded that one, so this video is not the reveal. No. Next video.
Yes.
I'm about to upload the giveaway video tonight. But I'm working on this, and I've already got too much footage to shove into that video to keep my videos somewhat short, you know what I mean? So people will actually watch the whole thing. You know, we went to the junkyard today. I didn't film it because I'm like, well, I can't even pack it in the last video. So we got to do something. So we just went to the junkyard. I went and ran in, quick grabbed 4x4 switch and TCCMs. I grabbed 2 TCCMs actually. They're cheap, and if they don't work or they don't fix it, I can bring them back. So we spent 56 bucks. It's kind of a half-ditch effort to...
We're still running out of money.
We're running out of money, but it's kind of a half-ditch effort, man, you know? So I grabbed 2 of these. And I grabbed 2 TCCMs, which that's what that is, that 3 plugs. It literally slides out, plugs in. So, real easy to do. I was in the junkyard for 10 minutes, rip this panel down, bam, unplug it, slide it out. This, just pull this, put a screwdriver, it pops right out. So, if that switch and that TCCM don't work, I don't know what it is. I'm freaking completely stumped, and I can usually figure something out.
Oh, always you can. Every time.
You know, within a couple days. I'm not the smartest guy, but I do know how to research and figure stuff out, and I cannot figure this out. I am freaking stumped. I may have to sell this thing cheap with no 4-wheel drive. I don't even know anymore. But I know I'm to the point where I got to sell something. You know what I mean? I'm not really keen on the idea of going back to work. We've made it this far. We need to keep on going.
Yeah, we ain't going back to work.
I ain't working for someone else making them millions. Yeah, it's been good. But we got to sell something, guys. So I'm going to get in here. We're going to try to get this done. If I can't get this working, I'm throwing the drive shaft in that. We're off in that because that bad boy will sell.
Oh,
that's the plan.
She's pretty.
Let's see what happens. I'm going to start working on this now. Well, I just learned something. So I unplugged this one. I plugged this one in. It's the same box. Look at it. Purple, blue, brown. Well, I think it's the same box. Purple. It's got a green on there. Blue, brown. Right? I plugged this one in, and the truck literally starts and then shuts right off. Alright, well, I'm an idiot. So apparently I watched the wrong YouTube videos. Sometimes I guess you go to the wrong ones. But, I mean, I got the box at I thought I was supposed to get. I plugged it in, the truck wouldn't start. Well, because that's the brain and all the security runs through it. So, definitely not that box. But upon more research, it's this box. So we're going back to the junkyard. We're gonna return those two, the switch in that box, and we're gonna buy this box. I gotta get there before they close. Truck ain't even together. I mean, the whole dash is ripped out. But I just want to get this thing fixed. I'm so sick of it. If this doesn't fix it, I'm gonna offer it for a sweet price, still make money. It is what it is. But man, the thing drives nice. I mean, no hands on the wheel, it cruises. So, we're heading to the junkyard. I'll let you know what happens. Sorry about the traffic, guys. We are at the junkyard. I just went in, handed in my parts. I plugged this in. Look at this. Can you see the lights? It's working. Look at this. It's going into four-wheel drive. Good God. What are the odds the module would have went out? I wonder if he crossed wires. Or maybe I did when I plugged stuff in backwards. We got it fixed. All right, let me go get my core money and I'll be back. All right, let's butt this back up so I don't have to drive home like this. Good God, this is a busy road. Look what we got going. So I threw some 8-footers up. I got one there, 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 and there. I've offset them. I feel like them things are gonna light this garage up. So me and Maddox just hung them all. And you can see this one lines up with this rafter, next one shifted, that one's that rafter, next one shifted. So I think it's gonna look good once it's lit up. And I was gonna try to put them 4-footers over above the garage door over there when the door's shut, but I think, you know, we do all of our work right here in this spot here, so I think it's gonna be good. Now I'm working on, I've got to try to find my wire nuts, and working on wire them up, and I'll wire them right into that box to the switch over there on the wall, and wham bam, right?
Yeah.
Exactly.
We're pretty excited about it.
I am very excited about seeing how bright this is going to be. I'm hoping it's just way brighter. We'll see what happens. I've got all my lights wired together. That one wired to that one, wired to that one wired to that one, and then wired over. We got to run it into that box up there. It's never going to be this dark in here again. It's going to be freaking nice. It's dark and I'm not done yet because someone just bought the Chevy. First guy to actually look at it. We posted it. I got that 4x4 working, and we replaced that box. I took it off. I had it posted lower. I reposted it at 3,300 with the 4x4 working, and my phone blew up. So first guy came, offered me 28. I said, you know what, give me 29. I'll be happy. And sure enough, he paid it, 2,900 cash. So I'm happy. We had, you know, maybe 1,100 into it, if that. I doubt we even had that into it. We had a lot of work into it though, you know. I spent a lot of time out here underneath that damn thing. And yeah, before he took it, it had LEDs in it. So I took all the LEDs out of it and put them in this truck. It's just crazy how much different white light is versus Like that's the regular dope scope. That's LED. It's crazy. So I got all the LEDs out of them. I might try to sell the Jeep and keep this. I'm debating it just because I like this truck so much. Gosh, I want this truck. It's dark as heck, you can't even see it. But I want this truck. If I have to sell it and make money, I'm gonna do that too, you know? We'll make a lot of money off this one too, so it's gonna be nice. Potentially, you know, $2,900, I could sell this one for $3,000 all day. Even with this weird rust hole right here. Look at that thing. That thing is just rough looking up close.
I feel like if you got like one of those covers that's supposed to be there, it would cover most of it.
It would never
like,
cover all of it though.
Not all of it. It might make it look a little better. Who knows?
I don't care. This truck looks tough. Sounds tough.
Love this truck.
Frickin' interior is all leather, moonroof, LED lights throughout. I just got those. So that was nice. I'm glad I took those out before he came and looked at it.
Yeah.
But I got my plate, yes.
Okay. I want to keep this truck.
I know, I'm thinking about it. We'll see. If I do keep it, it'll be the KB Motors truck and we'll just start throwing parts at it. Just like every other YouTuber, put $10,000 more parts than the car's even worth. That's what they do on YouTube.
Yeah, let's just,
they take a $500 jalopy and they throw 20 grand at it, you know, and it's somehow cool in the end of the day.
It's no big deal, it's fine.
All right, YouTube money, who cares?
Who cares?
But, so, yes, guy just left, took the truck, cash in hand, so thank God. I'm glad that sold. We had it for sale for what, 3 days? Saying four-wheel drive light on, don't know what it is. Just basically said don't know what it is. Four-wheel drive light not working. Something, I even put in there, it's something stupid because everything's new. And everybody was skeptical. I go and buy a $30 freaking box, plug it in, it fixes it, and bam, post it for $33 and gone.
Literally, y'all, like our phone probably got 25 messages. I mean, we woke up this morning and I had 10 messages to reply to alone. Like,
that was crazy.
It was nuts. First person that came about it, so.
There we go, lesson learned. And I even knew that because I don't generally buy trucks where the 4x4 is not working. She'll show them to me and I'll be like, nope, 4x4 don't work, don't want it. So I knew that. And even doing what I do every day, knowing what I know, I was like, screw it. I'm sick of it. I'm freaking off in it. I just want to make a little bit of money. Get this thing away from me because I'm done. It's
like
got me beat.
Problem after
you know?
another.
Yeah, and I mean that guy bamboozled me. Everything I ran into on that truck. If you haven't watched that series, putting a tranny in that, you will see. There was so much stuff missing, and I had to pull a rabbit out of the hat to make that one drive good. But you know what? He loved it. We got it done, and who would have thought a $30 box would fix it?
And it really, honestly, it really is such a nice truck. Like, I loved it. It looked good, it sounded good, it drove good. Mm-hmm. So, it was worth it. It really was. So, alright, let me get these lights in here. Next shot is going to be with the lights on. So, I'll stand right here in the same spot. It's going to be like dim right here, and now watch, it's going to go kaboom. Dang, I can't see all of a sudden. My face is shining. You can probably see all the sweat.
Holy cow.
It's so bright.
Them bad boys are bright.
It's like I can see so many things I never saw before.
Right. I can even hear better now.
Yeah, me too. I feel like it just opens it up so much.
Like you couldn't even see the side of this truck. This is so nice.
Crazy.
Yeah. Working in this light's way better.
Really big, like, what are they called? Those huge, like, projection lights.
Yeah.
You know, they're like huge that you put out on a field to look for deer.
Yeah.
It's just massive.
Shining light. Yeah, them bad boys do work. I still have 2 more 4-footers that hold 4 bulbs each.
This was definitely by far the best garage sale find we have.
Yeah, all for free.
Yeah.
He just put new lights in, put them on Facebook Market for free. And I also got a whole box full of lights, so I won't be needing any of those for a while.
No. It's awesome.
Filming in here, though, is going to be nice.
Especially for when, like, you know, the other day when you're doing the transmission, you have, like, this tiny light and this tiny light, and you're moving them, and
daylight, it sucks. It's still going to be dark under there, but not as bad.
Not half as bad.
So.
It's going to be awesome.
My God, it's just a different kind of light. Look how messy this garage. Man, I gotta get cleaning now.
Yep.
But as far as winter time, when we're in here working, I like to build a lot of stuff out of metal in winter. So I'll be out here welding and just building stuff. Last year, Maddox and I built a drift trike.
Yep.
Yep, we built that for them. We were out here welding and just doing all kinds of stuff. So we hang out in the garage in the winter time. We'll get the heaters going. But this is going to help for filming.
Yes.
A lot brighter. So, yeah, buddy. All right.
Yay.
I need to get something cleaned up here.
Yeah.
We'll get this truck out of here, get these boards out of here. I got all kinds of wire splices in here.
Stuff everywhere.
This was my ladder. I just stood up on those 2x4s, did everything. So
That's not dangerous. It's fine.
it makes outside look darker, really.
Like, yeah. It's
I bet it's just
not
like-
late at all.
It's just glowing in there.
It's so
Yeah.
awesome.
Like, honestly, I thought it would be brighter,
What?
but that's pretty bright. You know what I mean?
it's
I thought it would
pretty
be
bright.
just like wicked bright, you know?
Like hurting your
You ever remember
eyes.
going to school in the morning and it was like you're tired and them stupid freaking fluorescent lights?
Yep.
Like, man, that shit's bright.
Okay, it's pretty bright though.
It's pretty bright. I mean, freaking 4 8-footers and a 4-footer.
Imagine if
I
you
could
had
still
the
wire
other
in that
ones in there,
4-footer and
too.
those 2 4-footers.
Right. Imagine.
Yeah.
We're saving those for a pole barn though.
Yep. Yes. Yep. And when we leave, we'll be taking these with us because I'm gonna build a. I want to build a paint booth. I want to have everything.
Yeah,
We're gonna
me
build
too.
it all. So.
Me too.
And everything we get, we're gonna make it ourselves.
Yes.
The cheap way. So
Yes.
stay tuned. You're gonna want to see it. Not revealing the winner of the giveaway yet. So. Hope you liked this video. We got a couple things done. Just a little quick catch up. I wanted to show you guys that we got the 4x4 fixed on the other truck. Keep commenting on the other video, guys. Comment 500 on that video.
Yep, if you
Next
wanna
video.
win.
Yep. Next video, we're gonna count up the comments. We're gonna get a random number generator, and we're gonna pick a winner.
Yep.
And we're gonna send that out. We made a big sale. We're sitting on a bunch of money again. I mean, 2,900 in one sale. That's pretty decent.
I think that's pretty
We made
good.
1,900 bucks after I did the math. So that's awesome. Who knows how much we're gonna make off these? Because now it's time to get serious about selling things again.
Yes.
I done forgot what I did. Because
Yeah,
I
we
wasn't
were
selling
all
anything
wrapped
for a
up
while.
into Some other
I
stuff.
was just like, it was me against that truck and it was kicking my ass for a minute.
Yeah, it was.
But
It's
we
fine.
won, so
You got through it.
thank God.
It's gone. We
But-
made our money.
Thanks for hanging out with me while I get these lights up. And if you're still here, thank you. All the new subscribers, what's up?
Yeah.
Thanks for watching the videos, guys. You guys are awesome. Little quick catch up. Peace. Remember, like, share, subscribe.